Hello and welcome. So from next videos, we are going to make one more application, and that would be a timer or a clock. And from the name, you would have guessed it. It is used to just set the timer, or it is also used to set an alarm clock as well, right? So let me just show you the UI. So this is the UI of a game. So right now you can see that's the current time, and that is 2 o'clock and 1 minute and 44 seconds. Okay. So first we will just try to play with a timer, and then we will play with alarm. So here I would set a timer of, let's say, 10 seconds or something. So I would write here 10 seconds. Here there is a minute value. So here you need to type a minute, and here you have a second, or I would say hour. So right now I'm setting a timer for 10 seconds so we can test it very quickly. So here I have set a timer. Now I'll click on start timer. So as you can see, as soon as we start the timer, here you have a countdown timer. So after 5 seconds, you should play some kind of audio. So let's just see. So we can see that our timer is working fine and it is ringing. Now let me just stop the timer. So you can stop the timer by clicking on this button. Okay, now let's just try to put a couple of alarm and see whether it works or not. So currently the time is 2 o'clock, 2 minutes and 35 seconds. So we'll just try to put an alarm just very close to that time. So I would write 14 and then would type 02. And what was the time currently? It is 46. So let's just try to put as 58, set an alarm. And after that, let's just have one more time alarm that would be at 3 and 5. Okay, let's see. So we have two alarm. The one is at right now it's running. Let me just try to stop this alarm. And there is one more alarm that is at 14, 3 or 5 seconds. So let's see. So that is also working. So we are able to set, so very simple app. We can set alarm or we can set a timer. So let's just try to make this application from the next video. So we'll see you there. Thank you.